What is up, my gorgeous mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 fresh scents that are great for compliments. But before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so by hitting that big red subscribe button down below. It helps me out more than you can possibly imagine, and also if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up because that also helps out quite a bit. Okay, so fresh scents that are still good compliment pullers. Fresh scents usually aren't the best for compliments. In my experience, the ones that get the best compliments tend to be heavier, more wintry scents. These are some fresh scents that are still great for compliments. And starting things off, Prada Luna Rosa. This is one of the most office-safe fragrances I can possibly recommend. It smells fresh, it smells clean. It's a touch soapy, and there is a light floral element to it as well. It's not heavily masculine or anything like that. It just smells fresh and clean. Performance is decent. It's about 6 to 8 hours depending on how much you apply, and you can find it for $69 on sale at Priceline, or you can typically pay over $80 for it elsewhere. And here's the bottle. It's definitely a classy looking scent and a classy smelling scent as well. Solid atomizer. Yeah, this one smells fantastic. Fresh, clean, highly recommended. Next up is the cheapest fragrance on the list, CKB. This is fresh and a little aromatic as well, and there's a touch of musk. It's just a clean musk, nothing hectic. Love the design. It's matte black with grey. Those are like my 2 favorite colors right there. Atomizer is really solid. Aromatic, touch of wood. It's almost a little mossy even. It's very fresh. It's almost gentle in a way. This one's also really great for compliments, and as far as Calvin Klein fragrances are concerned, this one does last about 6 hours on your skin, 5 to 6 hours depending on how much you apply. You can find the 200 ml bottle for $35 at Chemist Warehouse. And it is incredible value because although it is a little on the weaker side, it is $35 and you get a lot of fragrance for that money. This one is unisex as well. A lot of the Calvin Klein fragrances are unisex, so if you're looking for something that, you know, blurs the line between masculine and feminine, or maybe you want to try and explore something that you wouldn't normally explore regarding fragrances, definitely check out CKB. And finally, we have one that's actually growing on me, Versace Man Eau Fraiche. This is an Eau de Toilette. At first I thought this one was boring and sweet, but after wearing it, you know, after I shower, it's actually grown on me quite a bit. It is a absolute compliment monster. People love the way this one smells, and it is one of the cheapest Versace fragrances, not including blue jeans. Yeah, this one's fresh, fruity, and it's clean as well. I would almost say that this is a unisex fragrance as well. Fresh fragrances typically, you know, they don't smell overly masculine or feminine. You can pull them off no matter who you are. So I definitely recommend this one. You can get it for about $49. And this big 200 ml bottle, I believe they sell it for $89 on special at Priceline. But do shop around. I have seen it a little cheaper on eBay. Anyways, performance for this one, it's about 6 to 7 hours depending on how much you apply. Highly recommended. It's great for compliments and it's fresh as well. If you've ever worn any of these fragrances before, let me know in the comments below, as I love hearing from you guys. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.